Due to impurities and the presence of hard water, the Aqua Dome Nozzle sometimes gets obstructed. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to clean it effectively. Step 1. Prepare the workspace. Place a towel or cloth beneath the faucet to catch any falling parts. Use a wrench, vinegar, a toothbrush and a soft clean cloth for cleaning the nozzle components. Step 2. Remove the nozzle. It's the small cap mounted on the aerator which is placed at the end of the faucet where water flows out. To loosen and unscrew the aerator along with dome nozzle, use a wrench and turn it counterclockwise. Gently use the wrench, otherwise this might damage chrome of faucet. The Aqua Dome Nozzle consists of a restrictor plug, strainer and a vortex screw. Step 3. On top of the nozzle, locate the restrictor plug. Gently remove it using a flathead screwdriver and set it aside in a safe place. Step 4. Find the small strainer, where minute debris, impurities or dirt may be causing clogs in the water flow. Step 5. Remove the vortex screw by tapping at base. Step 6. Take some water with vinegar in a bowl and dip all three components for some time. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive scrubbers such as industrial cleaners or heavy-duty sponges. Step 7. Clean the all three components using a toothbrush and place aside in a safe place. Step 8. Once fully dry, reassemble the nozzle components correctly. Step 9. Remount the nozzle to the faucet and tighten it with your hands. And there you have it, a clean and unclogged faucet ready for use.